Hi people, my name is Eni Ruiz. Today I will talk about the Tamul Waterfall. Tamul Waterfall is located in Tamasopo, San Luis Potosí. The Tamul Waterfall is a waterfall in Mexico, the largest waterfall in the state of San Luis Potosí. At the top of the 300 meters deep Santa María River Canyon. The Tamul Waterfall is 105 meters high. It is located north of the municipality of Aquismón, approximately 45 minutes from Ciudad Valles. In the 1916, locals called the waterfall La Sonadora because of its thunderous fall in rainy water. The Santa María River divides Tamasopo and Aquismón. The visitors were amazed by the strength of the water, and the tourists shocked by the height of the waterfall. Beautiful? Yes.